Sanibonani, Ndumelang kaofela. Ladies and gents, this is Umasha Dashist. Sengiphinde ngabuya futhi. Welcome back to Classified TV News. Lapha khona sinibekela khona izindaba zabantu ababe nama-heartbreaks, ama-heartbreaks ayenzeka la ngaphandle. Yabo. So abantu bayasibhalela. No matter ukuthi kwenzakaleni, even if kwenzakale 10 years ago, please sicela usibhalele and then sayibeka nje la siyifunde. Abantu ba-like, ba-subscribe, sometimes into uma uyikhuluma iyadlula, but if uthalana nayo ngaphakathi can create i-anger kuwe, thola manje usafuna ukushelwa and stuff like that, yabo. Mhlawumbe usafuna amantombazane and stuff like that, and no, lezi zinto ziyenzeka nawo bani na, uyayiface le nto, ngithi angi-understand ne. Right, so vandaag sibhalele uSimangele. uSimangele usibhalele ne, uthi uyi-twin ke uSimangele, so i-twin lakhe la mdleli boyfriend ukuthi how not asazi, but asike senzeni, asike sithi dive into it, check ukuthi kwenzakaleni, yabo. Okay, sanibonana Classified TV. uSimangele unibhalele, ngine-twin lam la. I-twin lam sizwana kakhulu mina naye from dala. She's been my best friend. Ama-friends wami eza after yena all the time. Ngiyamthanda futhi kakhulu mntakama. But there is one thing engingayi-understand ngaye. When it comes to my boyfriend wami, always uba negative. I don't know why. Sengihlukane nezitrait zami kwaze kwaba kathathu, and uyena ube ne-impact towards that as well. Ngafunda naye from grade 1 up until siqede isikolo sifunda sonke. Akekho wafeyila, akekho wayishiya omunye. That's the thing esenza ukuthi sihlangane kakhulu mina naye. Asinabhuti omdala, sinabhuti omncane. Yithi nje sobabili koma. So mangizavalele yena ngaphandle ngizothi ngikwenzela ukuthini lokho. So that is why ngithi all the time ngibeka yena ngaphambili, then abangani bami beze ngemuva. And then ngiqale ukunotice after so many years ukuthi yena akathandi if mina ngine-boyfriend. Why ngathandi? Angiqaphela ukuthi yena behleli eba-single ngaso zonke isikhathi, but kwafika isikhathi lapho ngimbuza khona masenza ugrade 11 ukuthi sisi, why wena kanti ngingaze ngikubone nomuntu wakho? Then wangitshela shame and wakhala, I've noticed ule nto ayimphathi kahle. So angazi nami ukuthi yini ebanga kulokho, because muhle siyafana, angeke ngithi maybe mina ngimuhle more than yena. Alright, and she's more sweeter than me. Okay, fine. So wangichazela usisi wami ukuthi yena akamsheli and then akalast. If it happens uyajola, akalast kuleyo relationship. It's a pity. So mina sengihlukana kwaze kwathathu nabantu bami, and ngiyaqaphela ukuthi no, yena unesandla kulokho. Why I'm saying that? It's because kulo uqala boyfriend yami wathi yena akayisiyona type yami. So all the time mangikhuluma naye bekangenza ngizizwe small nge-relationship yami. And then kule yesibili boyfriend yami sahlukana because wayeflirta naye, and then saxabana ngamconfronta wathi angeke kuphinde kwenzeke lokho. Nami ngangine-hope ukuthi angeke kuphinde kwenzeke ngempela, but ithe makuhamba isikhathi ngithola lo angazi ukuthi uzongenzela izinto worse than before or than leya eyenzeka before. Yini eyenzeka? There was a day whereby sasicelebrate i-birthday yami ne-boyfriend yami. Fine, i-birthday yami siyicelebrate-ile ekhaya sisonke as a family, but ngithe mase ngiphuma ne-boyfriend yami because naye invite ama-friends wayo, nami nga-invite usisi wami. Now that ngiyomthengisa, but angithi ngifuna ukuthi naye abe out there si-enjoy sonke, because she has been a very good friend of mine. Sahamba sonke ngalolo suku loliya. I had no idea ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani, but nje kuzoba mnandi sibuye ekhaya the following day. But sathi masifika kwa boyfriend, safika kwaba mnandi and kwakukhona nabanye amantombazana, and then nabanye abafana kugcwele nje. And then ngangine-show yokuthi usisi wami uzozitholela umuntu naye la, no matter ukuthi bajola forever or into efana ne-why not stand, but angifuna naye I have fun. Into angayinothisa mangiphuma ngiyochama, mangibuya yena ukhuluma ne-boyfriend yami. ngiphinde futhi ngihambe ngiyochama mangibuya ukhuluma neboyfriend yami. I had no idea ukuthi bakhuluma bathini, but ngangifisa ukwazi and ngangingazi ukuthi ngizoqala ngakuphi mangibabuza. Okay fine, ngakhuluma nomngane neboyfriend ukuthi ngicela angimamelele ukuthi bathini usisi wami neboyfriend yami nabekhuluma mangisukile, then ngahamba ngaye kitchen ngiyolungisa ukudla. Ithe ngisase kitchen ngilibele ngiyabakoba ngale sitting room, ngiyabona sebehleli together manje, and then I was like konke bayiplanayo, but in my mind bengathi mhlawumbe baplana something ezojabulisa mina. Okay fine, ngabuyela ngahlala phansi, kwadliwa kwabamnandi, saphuza yaqala iphathi, kwabamnandi. I think after 4 hours mangikhumbula kahle isikhathi, I think kwabo 1 to 2. That's when ngaqala ukubona ukuthi angisaboni kahle emehlweni because we were drinking, so mina ngaphuza kakhulu. Not that ngangiziphuzela mina, but babe ngifida ngingekho aware. So more uphuza utshwala, the more udakwa, it's the more ufuna ukuphuza kakhulu. So now I ended up sengiphuza kakhulu, nga blackout. Ngiblackoutile kanjalo ngavuka ekseni, sengivuka ngilela ngedwa embedeni. Ngatry ukukhumbula ukuthi izolokwenzakaleni. Ngakhumbula, but ngakhumbula ukuthi ngigcine ngihlele esofeni. And then iwari yami beyisekuthenini usisi wami yesterday ngimbonile ebhizi khona neboyfriend yami ngendlela eclose emangazayo. I tried ukuvuka kanti mangithi ngiyabheka ngivuka ekseni kakhulu, angivukanga late. Ngivuke ekseni kakhulu. Mangifika ngale abanye basaphuza. Ngibuza umngane weboyfriend yami ukuthi ukuphi boyfriend yami, udayiwe naye athi akayazi. Ngaqala ngaba worried usisi wami yena athi naye akamazi. Ngazibuza ukuthi hayibo usho labantu bangangibetray ngaleyo ndlela na. Ngibuze amanye amantombazana ayehleli lapho ukuthi abambonanga usisi wami. Bacela ukuthi ngiphumele phandle, angathi bagcine beya ngaphandle. Kwakukhona igarage, whereby kwigarage kwakungalight, kunganama lights. So mangiza bebe ngebakwazi ukungibona mangiza towards igarage. And then ngezwe ama voices mangiphuma because waseku quiet, sekusekuseni entata. Kanti mangi-approach igarage ngezwe ivoice kasisi wami. Kulapho ngabona khona ukuthi khona into eyenzakalayo and inkulu into eyenzakalayo. I tried to hide so that bengezungibona. Kwaphela about 5 minutes lapho inhliziyo iyabila, amadolo asezinyaweni, iBP semqolo. Ngasondela, ngaprepare ilight yethu efoni yami, ngenzela ukuthi mangivela ngiba light, ngibona everything abayenzayo. Lapho nomqondo awusasebenzi, ikhanda liyangisinda because ngilale ngidakwe ngendlela yesimanga. Amehlo amnyama, but ngiyazitshela ukuthi ngizakwenza lokho today. Ngifuna ukubona usisi wami ukuthi yini le ekudala ngihlelela yona. Ngithe mangivela, they were busy having sex lapha. Uthe makangibona akazange akwazi nokuzibamba. Wavele wakhala. Angisakhuluma neboyfriend, ngayishaya ngempama. Avele angakwazi nokuphendula. Ngabamba ngendlela eyokuthi namhlanje mina nosisi wami asizwani, but ngiyamthanda. Okubuhlungu kakhulu babehave isex bengasebenzisi neprotection. So into engenza ukuthi ngingaphinde ngihile, it's the fact that usisi wami pregnant. Umntana weboyfriend yami. Uma ngimbuza ukuthi kuze kanjani ukuthi abe pregnant because ngababhaqa besenza. Wahlala nami phansi wacela uxolo. Wangitshela baqala ukuphuma laphandle neboyfriend yami ngisahleli mina. Benza about 4 rounds on that night. Lopsu leyo yokugcina ngibabamba kuyona kwakuyokugcina. Okushuthi kwakuzoba kwakiround lesi5 but ngalidisturb. So guys ngiyanicebisa ukuthi watch out there. Be careful ukuthi ubani umsondeza kwiboyfriend yakho. Angimthemba usisi wami because ngithi no wasekhaya ngeke asangibetray. But guess what? Walala nomuntu wami. It's a pity ukuthi umuntu omthembile kube yena okushaya imba umqolo, you know? You understand? So into engihlala ngisho ngithi mina ungathembi umuntu, ngamalo uthemba ilitshe kunomuntu because umuntu wenza into emjabulisayo ngaleso sikhathi athembe ukuthi uzaxolisa thereafter. Uyangi-understand? So guys, injalo indaba kaSimangele, ibuhlungu.